你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the most fun and effective way to learn Chinese grammar. Today, we will continue to talk about measure words. We learned that a measure word is required whenever a noun is quantified by a number. The structure is numeral plus measure word plus noun. In today's lesson, let's learn two important measure words. First, we have 手, third tone. 手 can be used for songs and poems. For example, 两首歌, two songs. 歌 first tone means song. 两首歌, 两首歌, 两首歌. Madeline, 你会唱英文歌吗? Can you sing any English song? Yes, I can sing Someone Like You and Rolling in the Deep. 我很喜欢这两首歌. I like these two songs very much. Ellie, 我想学一首中文歌. 你可以教我吗? Ellie, I want to learn a Chinese song. Can you teach me? 好啊. Okay, which song do you want to learn? 甜蜜蜜, sweet honey. Another useful measure word is 台. 台, second tone. 台 can be used for electrical appliances and machines. 一台洗衣机, a washing machine. 洗衣机 means washing machine. 洗 third tone. 一 first tone. 机 first tone. 一台洗衣机, 一台洗衣机, 一台洗衣机. Oh no, Jenny! Why did you pile up so many dirty clothes on the chair? 我觉得我需要一台洗衣机. I think I need a washing machine. 一台电脑, a computer. 电脑 means computer. 电 fourth tone. 脑 third tone. 一台电脑. 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 Vivian, what do you want to give Grandpa for his birthday? 我想买一台电脑. I want to buy him a computer. 一台空调, an air conditioner. 空调 means air conditioner. 空 first tone. 调 second tone. 空调. 一台空调. 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 Ellie, you look so tired. What's wrong? I'm burning up from this heat. 我需要一台空调. I need an air conditioner. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me how many Chinese songs you can sing. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。